Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to, tidy my sister's face up, and yeah, she came over to my house and she was gonna go for a party after um my house. So I decided to, slay her face for her so that she's not going there looking, like it's Christmas period, it's Christmas season, so she needs to look so cool. So I decided to. My sister is actually not a makeup type. She doesn't really like heavy makeup, so she like when you do like a natural look on her. And to be honest, it really suits her a lot. So I went ahead to do this simple makeup while we chat to people, our family member back in Africa, and they are really funny. They are making us laugh, so we're just chatting our life away. So it was a video call, so we're just like getting on. I know you might be thinking what was going on with Titi's stomach. I'm not pregnant. Oh my god, this is so funny. So apparently we ate this food that I had to overfeed myself. That is exactly what is happening. I overfed myself with food. The food I love so much. I had to make it, and while I was making it, I was busy munching it, and after that we all came together again and I started eating again. Like I couldn't even breathe after eating this food. I found it difficult sleeping, but then after I took my activated charcoal, I was okay. Like my stomach went back flat and all that. So don't worry. There's nothing to worry about. Okay, so I was using this eye pencil I got from it's I can't remember what it's called, but I'll try and see if you really want to know what it is, let me know down below and I'll figure out the name and I'll let you know. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and then this and I used another palette as well that I got from Amazon that I've been using, and I loved it so much. Like, it's got beautiful colors on there. And I used this waterproof eyeliner, and I'm going to came together eyeliner and mascara. I got it from Amazon, and it's not that expensive, it's not that cheap, it's really really nice. It stays, even when you wash your face, it stays in there. So I had to do like a very, yeah, this is the mascara of the eyeliner I used on her. It's quite simple, pretty, and it doesn't stain. It just stays where it is even when you wash your face, like I said. So I use this um Maybelline London, or Remeel London, not Maybelline London, eyeliner. I use it as eye pencil as well, to contour her eyes. And I'm using my foundation from NYS. Is it? Yeah, I think I used two different foundation on her, and I'm going to link everything down below, hopefully. If not now, because I'm not in my hometown at the moment. So if it's not down below, please ask me if you have to, or if you want to know what it is, and I'll go ahead and let you know what it is. And I'm using my L.A Girl in the shade Frown, which I love so much, to contour her, highlight her under eye a little bit, not really too much. And I'm using a Sasha Buttercup to just lay that down. And like I said, not too much thing going, because she's not a makeup person. She's just a little thing going on. So then I then learned to do her a natural look with, there's a lot going on there, but like when she looks, she will not understand anything that's going on. So that's literally what I've done to her. And for a light skin person, I used this blush that I got from our local beauty store, not too much of it, and I went down with Fenty Beauty highlighter, which I love as well, and then my setting water that I got from Primark. My sister doesn't like changing her lipstick. She really loves this lipstick so much, and it suits her a lot, as you can see. And I even got, like, I had to get one of them because it's really really pretty. You can see how it made her face look immediately. So she loves it, anything brown, as long as it's not very dark brown. She really likes it, and this is what the outcome is. She likes it, and we went ahead to touch her hair a little bit. She liked it the way it was, but then we had to like brush the face a little bit and just put cream, like what do you call it, oil sheen on it, just to make it look shinier a little bit. And that was it for this makeup. Guys, if you love what you've seen so far, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below. Ask any question you need to ask, and I'll be happy to answer you. Hopefully I'll see you in my next other video. Bye.